This is a project with an engineering goal to build an app that will keep people safe and away from different areas that have different crimes in them. And we had to research on those areas and find out the latitude and the longitude so we can enter the data into our app.
For the materials in the project, we needed a laptop. For the coding of the app, we needed a device for the testing of the app, and we needed a Google Console account to help create the app because some of the things needed for the app were not free, and we needed a Google Console account for that. And we also lastly needed volunteers who would help with telling us our feedback of our final app and how well it would be if we had other things and how they felt about the app and all.
So we found that on a lot of websites they help tell us where the crimes were and stuff. So we took information from a lot of those things to just help make ours the best it can be. But yeah, so and then we also use a lot of other websites that need a lot of credit, and this is one of our mini citations.
For gathering the resources, we needed to find a data source, and that data source was the public sheriff's office in Olmsted County's logs, and it showed the addresses of where some crimes happened, and that was exactly what we needed for an app. So we had taken the crimes and the addresses and put them in a Google Sheet, then filtered it by the severity of the crime and found the latitude and longitude of that, and then we continued to build our prototype.
To build our prototype, we had to get Olmsted County Sheriff's Office activity logs and enter them in a Google Sheet data, which include time, date, and then we had to coordinate those locations. We also designed the sign-up/login page so people can either sign up or log in. And then we have the home page also. So by clicking a button on the home page, it will navigate you to a certain screen, which we're planning to improve on in the future. And then the map page, we used a Google Map with an API key, and we also entered many pinpoints with the crime locations where they were committed. So by clicking on the pinpoint, you will see a crime category name, and then the accurate address, and in the future we're planning to add the time and date the crime was committed.
Under our results, we found out that navigation and performance were the two that people found the most easiest to use. But when it came to user engagement, people found it not that entertaining, or they did not find it that engaging to see or use. But when we asked about improvements and feedback, people said that they would like more amounts of data on the app, and they would like some more features of a range of how far it can go, and a search bar to search what areas they want to see.
So in conclusion, this engineering project was hard, but it was successful, and we got this map, which I'm still impressed at. And one of the many things, as much as a lot of things turned out great, I think if we were to make this better, we should make it more user engagement and add more things to it. And then also be able to update it weekly.